Hey guys, what's going on? Back for another tutorial. So this time it's gonna be part 4 here. So at part 4, we gotta fix a glitch. That is the shine glitch. I don't know if you marked that, but when you click on it, there's a shine. There's an unknown shine going. So in the shine sprite, put two new head block like this when I receive Ender Shop and when I receive Get Back. So when I receive Ender Shop, hide. When I receive Get Back, show. Oh, and don't forget to switch costume to... Oh, sorry, that's backdrop. Switch costume to shop at the beginning. So, like that, the shine is, and there's no more shine bug. So, now let's proceed to the next advancement. So it's gotta be the high score and the best score. So, like I did, copy 2 times the score sprites and name one high score and the other one best score. So let's go into high score sprites. Create 2 new variables for all sprites named high score and best score. So like this. And also here, high score, change all the uses of the score by best score, replace it, high score, sorry. Like this. So it's configured. Now in the best score sprite, do the same thing, just with best score. So this, and just like this. When we click the green flag, let's see what's happening. Oh, that they're all one on the bottom of each other. But we wanted to set to go to the top left and the top right of the screen. So what I'm going to do is go to -200 y160 for the high score, and here on the clone set x, don't forget to put a -200. So like this, and put all this big block of numerical thing on the left. So just slip that on and do the same thing. This time let's do +200 if we wanted to show to on the corner of the screen. And also don't forget to set the size to a smaller size. I'm gonna choose 35. The animation for 50. So like this, and just like that, there's 2 zeros on top of the screen. So, as expected, but if we do again and click on the cat many times, see it doesn't update. So in the cat sprite, put a new when green file clicked, put a forever loop, put 2 if then inside the forever loop, and put if it's greater than on both of them, if it's greater. So if score is better than high score, and if high score is better than best score. There. Now we need to set on the first one high score to score if it is, and set best score to high score if it is. Like this. Let's test that again. Don't forget always to save like this. And now it updates. It's like that. But what happened if we go to the shop then we return? Whoops, there's an unknown 0 on the on the title. So it's because of this script. When I receive ender shop hides, that's good, but when I receive get back show, but we didn't precise what. So this show the clones, but also the original sprites. So what I do is put set ghost effect to 100 to hide. I mean, not to hide, but to just not see it. So do the same thing on it, and don't forget to put a clear graphic effects on the first block of when I started the code. So do the same thing here, set so just like that. Let's see if it's just like before, the numbers are still here. It's still updating. If we go to the shop then we go back, there's no more glitching zeros now. And it's the end of this tutorial. So